The mirrorless camera market is a photographer's playground, constantly evolving to meet the needs of both seasoned professionals and aspiring creators. These sleek, compact powerhouses offer incredible image quality, lightning-fast autofocus, and versatile features that rival their bulkier DSLR counterparts. In this video, we'll dive deep into the top 6 mirrorless cameras of this year, offering a comprehensive breakdown of their features and functionalities to help you find your ideal match. The products mentioned here are not in exact order, so be sure to stay tuned until the end. All the links to the mentioned products are in the description below for updated pricing, so let's get started. Number 6. Panasonic Lumix S5 IIX. The Panasonic Lumix S5 IIX is a compelling offering for photographers and videographers who prioritize versatility and hybrid performance. It boasts a full-frame 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor that delivers exceptional image quality in both well-lit and low-light environments. The S5 IIX shines in the video department as well, offering impressive capabilities for capturing stunning 6K footage at 30 frames per second. Videographers will appreciate features like internal 10-bit recording and advanced color profiles for professional-looking results. This camera's autofocus system is another highlight, utilizing intelligent subject tracking technology to ensure sharp focus on fast-moving objects or unpredictable wildlife. The 5-axis in-body image stabilization further enhances image clarity by minimizing camera shake, allowing you to capture crisp photos and smooth videos even when shooting handheld. The S5 IIX features a robust weather-sealed magnesium alloy body, making it a reliable companion for photographers who venture outdoors in challenging weather conditions. The fully articulating touchscreen display provides intuitive control and allows for creative shooting angles, while the high-resolution electronic viewfinder delivers a clear and accurate representation of your scene. Number 5. Fujifilm XS20. The Fujifilm XS20 is a stylish and compact APS-C mirrorless camera that caters to photographers who value portability and a range of creative tools. Despite its small size, the XS20 packs a powerful punch with its 26.1 megapixel X-Trans CMOS sensor, renowned for capturing exceptional image detail and vivid colors. Fujifilm's signature X-Processor Pro image processing engine ensures excellent image quality across various lighting conditions, with minimal noise even at higher ISO settings. This camera is a joy to use for photographers who enjoy a tactile shooting experience. The XS20 features a physical mode dial for quick selection between shooting modes, customizable dials and buttons for intuitive control, and a comfortable ergonomic grip that provides a steady hold. The XS20's tilting touchscreen display allows for convenient framing and playback, while the electronic viewfinder offers a clear and bright view of your scene. Fujifilm cameras are known for their outstanding film simulations, and the XS20 doesn't disappoint. It offers a wide range of film simulations that replicate the look and feel of classic film stocks, allowing you to add a unique touch to your photographs. Number 4. Sony ZV-E1. The Sony ZV-E1 is a vlogging powerhouse designed to elevate the quality and creativity of your video content. This compact and lightweight camera features a large APS-C CMOS sensor that delivers exceptional image quality in both bright and dim lighting situations. The ZV-E1 shoots stunning 4K HDR video, capturing vivid colors and rich detail, even in scenes with high contrast. This camera prioritizes ease of use for vloggers, with features like a dedicated movie button for seamless recording initiation and a side-opening flip screen for monitoring yourself while recording. The ZV-E1 boasts impressive autofocus capabilities, with accurate subject tracking and background blurring to ensure you remain the center of attention in your videos. The built-in directional microphone captures clear audio, while the included windshield further enhances audio quality when shooting outdoors. The ZV-E1 provides a variety of creative tools for vloggers, including exposure compensation dials for quick adjustments and product showcase mode, which automatically switches focus between your face and a product you're presenting. Number 3. Olympus OMD EM10 IV. The Olympus OMD EM10 IV is a micro Four Thirds mirrorless camera that offers a compelling mix of portability, performance, and affordability. Despite its compact size, the EM10 IV packs a powerful punch with its 24 megapixel live MOS sensor. This sensor delivers sharp images with excellent low-light performance, thanks to its improved image stabilization system. The EM10 IV boasts a robust 5-axis in-body image stabilization system that effectively minimizes camera shake, allowing you to capture clear photos and videos even at slower shutter speeds. This camera is a great choice for photographers who enjoy shooting action or fast-moving subjects. The EM10 IV features a fast and accurate autofocus system that can lock onto and track moving subjects with impressive precision. The 15 FPS continuous shooting mode allows you to capture fleeting moments in stunning detail, making it ideal for sports photography, wildlife photography, or capturing energetic children or pets. The EM10 IV features a user-friendly interface with a tilting touchscreen display for convenient framing and playback. The high-resolution electronic viewfinder offers a clear and bright view of your scene, allowing you to compose your shots with precision. For added versatility, the EM10 IV boasts built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, making it easy to share your photos and videos wirelessly to your smartphone or social media platforms. Number 2. Nikon Z9. The Nikon Z9 is a professional-grade mirrorless camera designed for photographers who demand the absolute best in terms of performance, image quality, and features. This powerhouse camera boasts a full-frame 45.7-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor that delivers exceptional image detail, dynamic range, and low-noise performance even at high ISO settings. The Z9 is a dream camera for low-light photography, capturing stunning images in dimly lit environments without sacrificing quality. This camera is built for speed, featuring an incredibly fast and accurate autofocus system that can lock onto and track even the most challenging subjects with remarkable precision. The Z9's blazing fast continuous shooting speed of up to 20 frames per second with mechanical shutter and 60 frames per second with electronic shutter allows you to capture fleeting moments in incredible detail, making it ideal for capturing fast-paced action like sporting events or wildlife on the move. The Z9 is a highly customizable camera, catering to the preferences of professional photographers. It features a robust and weather-sealed magnesium alloy body for excellent durability, ensuring it can withstand even the most demanding shooting conditions. The high-resolution electronic viewfinder offers an incredibly clear and bright view of your scene, with a blackout-free refresh rate for a seamless shooting experience. The tilting touchscreen display allows for intuitive control and creative shooting angles. Number 1. Canon EOS R7. The Canon EOS R7 strikes a perfect balance between performance, portability, and affordability, making it a compelling choice for a wide range of photographers. This APS-C mirrorless camera boasts a powerful 32.5-megapixel CMOS sensor that delivers exceptional image quality, capturing sharp details and vivid colors. The EOS R7 excels in low-light situations thanks to its impressive image stabilization system, which effectively minimizes camera shake and allows you to capture clear photos and videos even at slower shutter speeds. This camera prioritizes speed and responsiveness, featuring a next-generation autofocus system that utilizes deep learning technology to achieve subject recognition and tracking with incredible accuracy. The EOS R7 boasts an impressive continuous shooting speed of up to 30 frames per second with mechanical shutter, and even faster with electronic shutter, making it ideal for capturing fast-paced action or wildlife photography. The high-resolution electronic viewfinder offers a blackout-free refresh rate for a smooth and uninterrupted shooting experience, allowing you to track moving subjects with ease. The EOS R7 features a user-friendly interface with a fully articulating touchscreen display for intuitive control and creative shooting angles. The camera is built for versatility, offering a variety of shooting modes and creative tools to help you capture your vision. For added convenience, the EOS R7 boasts built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, making it easy to share your photos and videos wirelessly to your smartphone or social media platforms. There you have it. These are the top 6 best mirrorless cameras of this year. Remember, the best camera for you depends on your individual needs and shooting style. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button below for more informative camera reviews and photography content. In the comments section, let us know which camera on this list piqued your interest the most, and share what kind of photography you're passionate about. Thanks for watching.